Good evening, everyone. Welcome back with the additional of today's newspaper on Tuesday. Yes, it's still Tuesday, Super Tuesday, March the 5th, 2024. We have here 7 extra puzzles in this additional. The letter Sudoku, the 2 stars, 3 stars, 4 stars Sudoku, 2 jigsaw Sudokus, 1 with 4 stars. 1 with 1 star. In Dutch they call it cipher block, in Japanese Suguru. And the last puzzle is the binary puzzle. These puzzles I'm not interested. Total of 7 extra puzzles. 4 of them I will solve, not all. Too much for me, time consuming. I've already solved 3 puzzles, regular puzzles, this afternoon. So 4 of them I will solve. Time consuming, yeah, if I do all the puzzles, and I need the same time for uploading it to a YouTube, yeah, otherwise it will be a day job for me. The first one, 3 star Sudoku number 8131. Well, it's indicated with 3 stars. It's not actually a 3 stars, because 3 stars puzzle, for 3 stars puzzle I need 20 to 30 minutes to solve. Usually the 3 stars puzzle has 25 printed digits. This one has 27 printed digits. 27, so it should be a 1 star. For 1 star puzzle I need to be faster than 50 minutes. We'll see if this is a 1 star or a 3 stars puzzle. Alright, so let's get started. 2 minutes already passed. Well. Okay. Let me see which number can I pick. How about these 4 missing numbers in this big square? 2 of those missing numbers are the 5 and the 9. We have 5 and a 9 in this column, no 5 and a 9 in these 2 boxes. 5 and a 9 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. So 2 numbers left in this big square, 4 numbers. 1, 2 is missing. 3 is missing. 2 and 3, 2 and 3. We have a 2 in this row, no 2 there. 2 should be here. 3 goes there. Okay. Let me see. 4 in this column, 4 in the middle column. So the column next now only place level 4 is should be there. 4. That means in this column we need a 4 there. 1 in this row, 1 in the middle row, so the wall above the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We have a 1 in this column, no 1 there, 1 should be here. Okay. Then. 6, need a 7 here. Come on, need a 9 here. Three. 1, 2, 4. 1, 2. Need a 2 here. Yeah. Well, need to think here. Well, we need a 3 in this column. 5 missing numbers. Need a 3. These two boxes can be 3. We have a 3 in this big square, so no 3 in these two boxes. So the 3 could be here, or there. You see another 3 in this row, no 3 there. 3 in that row, no 3 there. Only place left for the 3 should be there. Need a 9 here. 2. Yeah. 4 missing numbers in this column. One of the missing numbers is 2. We have a 2 in this big square, so no 2 in these two boxes. So the 2 could be here, could be there. We have a 2 in this row, no 2 there. 2 should be here. 2 in the last row, 2 in the row above. So that row, the only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We have a 2 in this column, no 2 there. 2 should be here. 2, 2. 2, 2. Two numbers left in this column. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 is missing, and 8 is missing. 7, 8, 7, 8. The other 3 missing numbers. Well, need a 5, need a 9, need a 3. Need to wait. Well. Need a 9 here. No. 3, 3. 4, 4. We have a pair, the 4 and a 6 in this column, third column. 4 and a 6 in the second column, so the first column. Only 2 places left for the 4 and the 6 goes in those 2 boxes. We have a pair. 9, 5 in the... Need a 9 here. 1, need a 1 here. 1. Need a 1 there. Yeah. 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 1. We have a 1 in the third column, no 1 in these 3 boxes. So the 1 could be here or there. Here or there. We see another 1 in this row, no 1 there. 1 should be here. Need an 8 here, and I need a 7 there. 4 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are the 8 and the 7. We have an 8 and a 7 in this row. No 8 and 7 in these 2 boxes. 8 and 7 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 8 and 7, 8 and 7. We have a 7 in this row. No 7 there. 7 should be here, and 8 goes there. So 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, 5 is missing. The 6, the 7, 8, 9 is missing. 5 and 9, 5 and 9. Let me mark those 2 boxes. So these 2 should be the 4 and the 6. Okay. Well. Need a 3 here. 4, 6, 2. Need a 2 there. Need a 6 there. Need a 1 here. Well, 4 there. I'm thinking 5, 5, and 5 here. 5 in this column, 5 in one of those 2 boxes. In that column, so the column between only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We have a 5 in the third row, no 5 there. 5 should be here. 5, 5, and I need... Yeah. 5, 9, and the 3. Alright, 4, 6, and need a 9. In this column, we need a 9. Well, we have a 9 in this big square, so no 9 in this box. So 1 box left for a 9 in this column. Should be there. 5 and a 9, we have a 9 in this row. No 9 there. 9 should be here. And a 5 goes there. Here, 2 numbers left, a 4 and a 6. We have a 4 in the last row. No 4 there. 4 should be here. 6 goes there. Need a 9 here. Need a 9. Oh, need a 9 there. How about these 2 missing numbers in this big square? 4 numbers, the 1 and 2. 3 is missing. 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 9 is missing. 3 and 9, 3 and 9. We have a 9 in this column. No 9 there. 9 should be here. 3 goes there. 3 in this column. 3 in that column. So the column 3 in the middle column only place level 3 should be there. 3 in the last row. 3 in the row above. So that row only 2 places level 3 should be here or there. We have 3 in this column. No 3 there. 3 should be there. 3 in the first column, 3 in the second column. So the third column, no, only 2 places level 3 should be here or there. We have 3 in this row, no 3 there. 3 should be there. So 2 numbers left here, the 5 and the 9. Okay. Here, these 3 should be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 6 is missing, 7 is missing, and 8 is missing. 6, 7, 8. We have a 6 and a 7 in this row. No 6 and a 7 in this box. 6 and the 7 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 6 and a 7, 6 and a 7. We have a 6 in this row. No 6 there. 6 should be here. 7 goes there. So 1 is left in this big square for number 8. 7. Need a 7 there. Need a 5 here. Need a 7 there. 5 and a 9. 6, 6, 6, 6, 6, 6, 6. 1, 1. Need a 1 here. Two. 4, 6, and need a 5 here. These 2 missing numbers in this row are the numbers. The 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7, 8 is missing. 1 and 8. 1 and 8, okay. 1, 8, and need a 4 here. Yeah, I need a 4 here. 4 in this row, 4 in the row above. So that row, the only 2 places left for 4. Could be here, could be there. Same for here. 4 in the first row, 4 in the third row. So the row between. Second row, the only 2 places left for 4. Could be here, could be there. Need a 6 here. Need a 5 there. Need a 1. 1, 1. 5, 5, 5, 5, 5. No. 4, 9. What the 6? Need a 6 there. Oh, 4 and a 6. We have a 4 here. 4 and a 6. We have a 4 here. This box should be 6. That box should be a 4 then. 6, 6, 6, 6, 6. Need a 6 here. And I need a 5 here, yeah. 5 in this row, 5 in that row, so the row between, only 2 places left, 5 here or there. Together with the 6, we have a pair. 5 and a 6. 3, no. 5 and a 9. 5, 5. Need a 5 there. Come on. What's happening? Need a 7 here. And I need a 9 here. How about the 8s? No 8s here. Need an 8 here. No. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is an 8. We have 8 in this row. No 8 in these two boxes. 8 could be here, could be there. So we have 8 in one of those two boxes in this column. So this box can be an 8 and more. That box should be an 8. This box should be a 1. 1 in this column, 1 in the last column. So the column between, the only place left for the 1 should be there. And I've eliminated here the 4, so the 4 goes there. So 2 numbers left in this big square. One was the 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5 is missing. 5 and 8, 5 and 8. We have a 5 in this row. No 5 there. 5 should be here. 8 goes there. 1 box left in this row for the mother. 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing. 2 missing numbers in this row. 4 numbers, the 1 is missing. The 2, the 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 is missing. 1 and 7, 1 and 7. We have a 1 in this column. Second column, no 1 there. 1 should be here. 7 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7. 8 is missing. 9 is missing. 8 and 9, 8 and 9. Okay. 5 and a 9, okay. Yeah, also 5 and a no. 5, 9 and an 8. Well, 5, 9 and an 8 are missing in the second column. 5, 9 and 8. 5, 9, 8. 5, 9 and 8. 5, 9 and 8. And look, we have 5 and a 9 in this row. So this box can be 5 or a 9. This box should be an 8. 8 and a 9. We have 8 now in the second column. No 8 there. 8 should be here and a 9 goes there. 5 and a 9, we have a 9 in the second column, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and a 5 goes there. Alright. 1 box left in this column, third column for the mother. 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing. 5 in the first row, 5 in the second row, so the third row, the only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. No, we already have a 5 here. 5 in the 6, we have a 5 already in the last column, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 6 in this row, 6 in the second row, so the third row, the only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We have a 6 in the last column, no 6 there, 6 should be there. 3 in this row, 3 in the second row, so the third row, the only place left for the 3 should be there. 7 and 8, we have 8 now in the second, in the third row, no 8 there, 8 should be here, and the 7 goes there, so 1 digit left in the third row for the mother. 1, the 2 is missing. Yeah, the 2 is missing. So we have a 2 in the third row, 2 in the second row. So the first row, the only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We have a 2 in this column, no 2 there. 2 should be there. Then 2 numbers left in the first row for the numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing. The 8 and the 9 is missing. 7 and 9, 7 and 9. And look, we have a 9 in this column, no 9 there. 9 should be here. 7 goes there. 2 numbers left now in this big square for the numbers. The 1, the 2, 3, 4 is missing. 5, 6, 7, 8. 9 is missing. 4, 9, 4, 9. We have a 9 in this column, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 4 goes there. And the final number in this big square for the mother. 1, the 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 is missing. Finish in 80 minutes. Well, not pleased, because need to be faster than 50 minutes. It took me 80 minutes. But is this a 3 stars? No. Let me give this a 2 stars. I'm faster than 20 minutes, but not faster than 50 minutes. So, yeah. But we solve it again, and I like this one, yes, I really do the thing. So, thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file, so you can make it or solve by yourself. Thank you again for watching. See you in a minute with the other 3 puzzles. Until then, bye-bye for now.